Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and today I have a new unboxing video for you. And that is for a shirt I got from Dolce & Gabbana. Here's the shipping container. Straight from Italy. Sesto Alteriano. And there's me, Darren Barada. Okay, looks like there's some kind of paperwork at the bottom of the box. They sent like a free return label and an invoice. Yeah, like when I unboxed my Dolce & Gabbana blazer. Cotton t-shirt with D&G print. And a really nice box. And here it is. It's a t-shirt. There's a bag. It says Dolce & Gabbana on it. Oh, it says Dolce & Gabbana on the other side too. Okay, it's weird. It's wrapped in like some kind of styrofoam. Like not like, styrofoam peanuts, but like that, like thin layer stuff. Okay, so it's like stuck in there. Here we go. Here's the label. Dolce & Gabbana, made in Italy, size small. And here's a tag. Dolce & Gabbana. Wow, this shirt is huge. I knew it was because on the website, it's oversized is what it said. So that's why I got a small. I wanted a medium, but then I read on the website that the model wearing it was like 6 feet tall. And it was like the sleeves were going past his elbows. This shirt is gigantic. Like it's hard to show it to get it all in the camera, but well, we'll just look at the graphic here. So it's DG, Dolce & Gabbana, made in Italy, Milano since 1984, Italia, Creato in Italia, 1984 Milano. And it's got like the spray paint style graphic. And going to the back, it's got like something on the bottom left of the back. DG, Dolce & Gabbana. And all of this here. This shirt is gigantic. It's really thick too. You can kind of see it. Like you can definitely feel it. It's really heavy. And it's like, it's actually coming out really well on camera. For some reason, it's coming out a little bit darker white in person, but it's definitely a white shirt. See if there's any labels inside. Oh wait, here we go. Well, you guys, that was my unboxing of this Dolce & Gabbana t-shirt. Let me know if you liked it, and I hope to see you on the next one.